This is the new Philips CoreLine Waterproof. Efficient, reliable, and waterproof lighting with a robust design for a smart, simple, and very quick installation. The Philips CoreLine Waterproof, with a longer lifespan and up to 60% more energy savings compared to conventional lighting, with wide beam light distribution for yet more effective lighting, and, even more important, the top design for a quicker and more flexible installation. The difference? That is what we show here. Ready to start? Go! The new Philips CoreLine Waterproof. More light, less cost, and very quick installation. Philips CoreLine Waterproof. For more information, please visit our website.